welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be introducing this super affordable and convenient hair from Hergivenhair. This hair, in summary, is a wear and go hair. Very easy to wear, like just wear and go. Like I said, I know when you start watching this video, you were thinking, like cracking your brain, when did Oma have this hair? When did Oma start growing? When did Oma's hair grow to this point? This is what you get when you shop your hair from Hergivenhair. So stay tuned, watch this video, and don't go anywhere, okay? Take a look at this coils, guys. Take a look at this coils. The hair looks like it's growing right from the scalp. You can't even tell the difference. And as you can see, the coils is starting from the roots. So you don't need to hot comb. You don't need to do anything. This is just a wear and go hair. So I'm going to add conditioner to it, so the coils is more defined, and also to just bring out the coils and make it pop a bit. Water and conditioner, I already have that mixed here. You can use any conditioner. There is no particular brand that is necessary. So I'm going to just spray my hair a bit. Ooh, wow. This coils. There's nothing you're telling me. This looks like my natural hair. There's nothing you're telling me. But I'm not here to deceive people. I don't think. I might deceive you a bit, because once I wear this wig, you do not even know the difference. So a little more of the conditioner, because I need this coils. See how bouncy and juicy this coils. Oh my lord. Ooh. So guys, this is the hair after just using water and conditioner, and this is the only shredding. I'm promising you, this is not a lie. This is the only shredding I got out of this hair. No serious shredding. I didn't brush this hair with a comb or a hairbrush. So I'm going to put it on right now and see how it looks. Wow. Am I wearing it well? Okay, so I'm just going to, I'm just going to tighten this band. Thank God for elastic band though. And perfect. It fits like a glove. Wow. I can't even recognize myself. Ooh. giving me this mysterious look. Is this me? Oh my god. Can you see how juicy the coils? The coils? The coils? The coils? Oh, this is very nice. This is really, really nice. Emphasis on the nice. I know you can't believe it, right? I can't too. This hair is so nice. I think I underestimated this hair. Like when I brought it out of the box, I was like, is this hair going to give what they say it's going to give? Because I had to like check the hair on the websites, checked the details on the hair, and saw the reviews on this hair. I was like, is my own going to come out like this? And I'm loving it very much. I think I'm ready to go. Who's coming with me? Are you coming with me? Look how juicy and bouncy this coils is. You seen it? Please, I would advise, do not use hot comb on this hair so that you don't change anything. It's going to just change this hair. Don't use hot comb, don't use straightener, any single thing don't use on this hair. Guys, this is a glueless wig that you can wear within seconds or even in minutes. Let me not exaggerate it, but it's a glueless wig, and you know it can also help you protect your edges from damages and too much glue and all those things. So this is like a wear and go hair, like I said earlier. And trust me to get a discount code for you, my darlings, because I love you guys so much. So you can use this discount code you're seeing on the screen right now, pretty, to get $15 off your purchase of this hair and any other hair on the website. Okay, by the way, this is a 16 inches coily textured lace wig with bands. You don't want to miss this hair. This is the hair that you would wear and you need to get bodyguards or like securities, because you know, this illusion that it's your natural hair and everybody's like, they want to touch your hair and like feel the texture and somehow turn you into a celebrity. That's what this hair gives. Other details on this hair is in the description box, the discount code, the links, every single thing you need to know about this hair. It's in the description box below, so do not forget to check that. Okay, it's very important. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, like and share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.